Did you know that Jesus once helped his friends catch exactly 153 huge fish in one amazing moment? After Jesus came back to life, 7 of his disciples went fishing on the big sea of Galilee. They worked super hard all night long, throwing their nets over and over again. But guess what? They caught absolutely nothing, not even one tiny fish. As the sun started to come up, they felt really sad and tired. Their nets were totally empty, and they had no money to buy food. Then a man on the beach shouted, "Hey, try throwing your net on the right side of your boat!" So they did exactly what he said. Suddenly, whoosh! Their net filled up with so many enormous fish they couldn't even pull it up. John looked at the man and gasped, "It's Jesus!" Peter got so excited that he jumped right into the water with all his clothes on and swam as fast as he could to Jesus. When they finally got to shore, they counted exactly 153 big fish, and the net didn't even break. Jesus had breakfast ready for them on the beach, showing them he always provides exactly what we need.